Hello my dear students, good morning to all. Now today we will study lesson number 24. Up to 23 we have completed. Now film around the globe. Films around the globe. Take right for the correct option. We have to put right for the correct option. Two options were given. For correct option we have to put right. Okay, the first full length animated film was based on a famous story for children. What was it titled? Options were given Tom and Jerry or Snow White and the Seven Drop. So the correct option is Snow White and the Seven Drop. So first one is Snow White and the Seven Drop. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Understood? First one. Now second. Put right for now second example. It is asked, name the movie. Second question, name the movie which features Keiko the whale. Free Willy or Free Will? So correct option is Free Will. Second one is Free Will. Free Will. Third question. Name the science fiction film that depict the catastrophic effect of global warming that lead to the onset of a new ice age. The Day After Tomorrow or 2012. Name the science fiction film. It is the science fiction film. Which one that is? The Day After Tomorrow. Third one is The Day After Tomorrow. The Day After Tomorrow. Understood? The Day After Tomorrow. Now fourth one. Name the academic award winning movie in which an overprotective clownfish goes searching for his missing son. Finding Nemo or Finding Amanda. So correct option is Finding Nemo. Finding Nemo. Finding Nemo. Fifth question. Laurel was one of a comedy duo. Who was the other? Reeves or Hardy? The other one is Hardy. Hardy. Understood? The other one is Hardy. Now sixth one. Name the only Hollywood actor to become the president of America. Options were given Ronald Reagan or Arnold Schwarzenegger. So the correct option is Ronald Reagan. Sixth one. Ronald Reagan. R-E-A. Ronald Reagan is the only Hollywood actor to become the president of America. Now seventh one. Name the film which got 11 Oscar in 1960. Ben-Hur or Titanic? So the film is Ben-Hur. Seventh one. Ben-Hur. Ben-Hur is the film who got 11 Oscar award in 1960. Now eighth question. Name the actress who played the role of Maria in The Sound of Music. Cameron Diaz or Julie Andrews. So the correct option is Julie Andrews. Julie Andrews. Julie Andrews. Ninth question. Name the first film to win an Academic Award for Best Animated Feature. Shrek or E.T.? So the answer is Shrek. S-H-R-E-K. Put right for Shrek option. 10th one. name the film about a penguin that cannot sing to attract a soulmate, directed by George Miller. Happy Feet or Labyrinth? So the correct option is Happy Feet. Happy Feet. 11th question. Name the director of many top crossing film in Hollywood history, including the blockbuster Jaws 1975, E.T. the Extraterrestrial 1982, and many more. Steven Spielberg or James Cameron? So the correct option is Steven Spielberg. Steven Spielberg. Twelfth one. Who played the title role in the adventure film based on the Harry Potter series of novel by J.K. Rowling? So Daniel Radcliffe or Ron Weasley? So the correct option is Daniel Radcliffe. Daniel Radcliffe. So put right for Daniel Radcliffe. Now last one. Which film was released in 3D form in 2012 to mark 100 years of the episode it depicted? So Titanic film or Ben-Hur? So which film that one? Titanic. So understood this one? So note down this one or put right in your textbook. Now lesson number 25, doubles. 25 lesson, double. Complete the following doubles with suitable word. Example, for example, bread and butter. Now bed and what you will get there? Bed and dash means board. Bed and B-O-A-R-D. B-O-A-R-D. Board. Bed and write properly. Board. B-O-A-R-D. Now next. Rank and dash. Rank and what you have to write there? File. Rank and file. Now third one. Ways and dash. Ways and means. Ways and M-E-A-N. Yes. Means. M-E-A-N. Now fourth one. Ready and dash. Ready and willing. Ready and willing. W-I-L-L-I-G. Now fifth one. Board and dash. Board and lodging. L-O-D-G-I-N-G. Board and lodging. Write properly. L-O-D-G-I-N-G. L-O-D. So board and lodging. And sixth one. Bubble and quiz. S-Q-U-E-A-K. S-Q-U-E-A-K. Bubble and squeak. Now milk and dash. Milk and honey. Milk and seventh one. Milk and honey will be there. Now root and dash. Root and branches. Root and what? Branches. Or branch. B-R-A-N-C-H. Root and branch. So ninth one, bricks and what will be there? Mortar. M-O-R. Bricks and mortar. Now ninth one over. Now 10th one, stars and strips. Stars and dash means strips. Stars and strips. Now 11th, hammer and tongue. Hammer and dash means hammer and you have to write there tongues. T-O-N-G-S. T-O-N-G-S. Tongues. Now part and dash. Part and 12th one, parcel. Part and parcel. Now 13th, tooth and dash. Tooth and dash means tooth and nail. Tooth and nail. Now 14th example, shape and dash. Shape and sound. What is that? S-O-U-N-D. Shape and sound. And last one, rip and saw. Rip and what? Saw. S-O-W. So understood this one. soil trip we can say, no? Isn't it? So last one, stop. Lesson number 26, Gardens of India. Gardens means, you know that one? It is in Hindi we can say that garden means bagicha. Okay. Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? In India, there are gardens that delight the eye and present a canvas of beauty. Garden means different types, variety of flowers are there, isn't it? By looking its beauty, we are feeling very beautiful flowers were there. Okay, in big garden means. Now, first example, let us have a look at them. The Brindavan garden are situated in, where it is situated? It is situated in Mysore. It is situated in Mysore. So first one, M-Y-S-U-R-E, Mysore. Total questions were asked 14. Okay. Now second, the Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Indian Botanic Garden is located in dash. Where it is located? It is located in Kolkata. It is located in Kolkata. Next, third one, Saheliyon ki Bari means Garden of the Maidens, and it is located near Fateh Sagar Lake in, where it is? Udaipur. It is in Udaipur. U-D-A-I-P-U-R. It is located in Udaipur. Now fourth one, the Mughal Gardens are located at dash. The Mughal Gardens are located at New Delhi. It is located in New Delhi. Fifth one, the Mughal Gardens in Delhi were designed by dash. The Mughal Gardens in Delhi were designed by Edwin Lutyens. Edwin Lutyens. Sixth one, the Hanging Garden are located in dash. Hanging Garden, it is in Mumbai. Where it is? Mumbai. Seventh one, the Lal Bagh at Bengaluru was built by the ruler of dash. By the ruler of Mysuru. Here also Mysuru again. M-Y-S-U-R-E, Mysuru. Eighth one, the Gulab Bagh is located in dash. The Gulab Bagh is located in Udaipur. Ninth one, ninth question, the Rock Garden is at dash. Where it is? It is in Chandigarh. The Rock Garden is in Chandigarh. Tenth question, the Hanging Garden provides a lovely view of the dash sea. It is Arabian Sea. It is that Arabian Sea. 11th one, the dash garden, also known as Yadavindra Gardens, are situated about 20 km away from Chandigarh. Which garden name that one? Pinjore. That is called what? Pinjore. P-I-N-J-O-R-E. It is called Pinjore Garden. Which question we have written? Question number 11th. Now 12th question. Dash is a Mughal garden built on the bank of the Dal Lake in Srinagar. Dash is a Mughal garden built on the bank of the Dal Lake in Srinagar. What is that? Which one? Nishant Garden. Nishant Bagh. It is Nishant Bagh. N-I-S-H-A-T. Nishant Bagh. B-A-G-H. Understood? Now 13. Dash was built by the Mughal Emperor Jahangir for his wife Noor Jahan. It is located in Srinagar. Which Bagh that is? That is Shalimar Bagh. It is Shalimar Bagh. B-A-G-H. 14th one. Last one. Dash was created by Neckchand Saini, who turned the urban waste materials such as bottles, tins, cans, plates and saucers into creative pattern and textures. Which was Dash was created by Neckchand Saini. Who is that one? Which garden name? Rock Garden. Last one is R-O-C-K, Rock Garden. Designed by waste materials such as bottles, tins, can, plates, saucer, etc. Okay. So which garden that is? Rock Garden. So understood this? Total 14 exam questions are there. So note down this one. Now lesson number 27, sobriquets. Okay. Here are some sobriquets or special names. Names written there that some towns or cities or personalities are known by. Match the column. Here two columns were given, column A and column B. Column A, 1 to 16 example means questions were written. The Golden City, first one. Second, the Holy City of the Hindus. Third, the Nightingale of India. Fourth, the Iron Man of India. Fifth one, Gurudev. Sixth, Lion of Punjab. Seventh, Lokmanya. And eighth, Lok Nayak. Ninth, Frontier Gandhi. 10th, Grand Old Man of India. Blue Mountain. 12th, City of Seven Hills. 13th, Emerald Isle. And 14th, Lake City. Saura of Bengal, 15th one. And 16th, Garden City of India. And in column B, here we have to match. Okay. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jai Prakash Narayan, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Jaisalmer, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Naoroji, Bengaluru, Varanasi, Sarojini Naidu, Lala Lajpat Rai, Nilgiri Hills, Udaipur, Damodar River, Rome, Ireland, and Rabindranath Tagore. So, one by one we have to write the answer now. The Golden City, where it is that in Golden City? It is in Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer. It is in Jaisalmer. J-A-I. It is in Jaisalmer. So, the Golden City equal to Jaisalmer. Now, second, the Holy, H-O, Holy City. The Holy City of the Hindus. The Holy City of the Hindus, where it is that one? It is, what it is called? The Holy City of Hindus. It is in Varanasi. It is in, where it is? Varanasi. Understood? Write down there, Varanasi. Yes. Next, the Nightingale of India. The Nightingale of India is Sarojini Naidu. The Nightingale of India is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu. The Nightingale of India is Sarojini Naidu. Now next, fourth one, the Iron Man of India. The Iron Man of India, fourth one, which one? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar, the Iron Man of India is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now, next, fifth one, Gurudev. Gurudev is, who is that? Rabindranath Tagore. Gurudev means, we can say that Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Now, sixth one, Lion of Punjab. Lion of Punjab means Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai. Lion of Punjab means Lala Lajpat Rai. Now Lokmanya. Lokmanya means which one? That one. Seventh one, no? Seventh one, Lokmanya means Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Lokmanya means Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Eighth one, Loknayak Jai Prakash Narayan. Loknayak means Jai Prakash Narayan. Jai Prakash Narayan. Loknayak means Jai Prakash Narayan. Okay. So up to 8th over. Now write down this one. Up to 8 at first. So 9th one, Frontier Gandhi. Frontier Gandhi means which one? That one. Frontier Gandhi, which is the correct option here. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Okay. Frontier Gandhi means Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Now, Grand Old Man of India. Grand Old Man of India is Dadabhai Nauroji. Dadabhai Nauroji. Now next, Blue Mountain. 11th one, Blue Mountains, Nilgiri Hills. Blue Mountains means it is Nilgiri Hill. Blue Mountain means Nilgiri Hill. Okay. Now City of Seven Hills. City of Seven Hills is Rome. City of Seven Hills means it is in Rome. R-O-M-E. Rome. Now Emerald Isle. Emerald Isle means which one? It is in Ireland. Emerald Isle is in Ireland. A-I-R-E-L-A-N-D. Ireland. Okay. Now Lake City. Lake City means which one? You will get there. Udaipur. It is in Udaipur. Lake City is Udaipur. Now Sara of Bengal. Sara of Bengal, which one? Damodar River. Sara of Bengal means Damodar River. Damodar River. Damodar what? River. Sara of Bengal. Now Garden City of India. Garden City of India is in Bangalore. It is in Bangalore. Bangalore. It is in Bangalore. Understood? So Frontier Gandhi means Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, and Grand Old Man of India is Dadabhai Nauroji. Blue Mountain, it is in Nilgiri Hills. City of Seven Hills means Rome. Emerald Isle means Ireland. Lake City, Udaipur. Sara of Bengal, Damodar River. And last one, Garden City of India is in Bangalore. So understood? So note down these options.